If you're looking to build a job application form with workflow triggers, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create a seamless job application process using our recommended software, complete with automatic triggers to streamline the whole process. First off, let's talk about why triggers are so important. A job application form with workflow triggers lets you automate certain actions as soon as applicants submit their forms. For example, you can set up email notifications to the hiring team, send automated confirmation emails to applicants, or even trigger an internal task to review the application. This helps keep everything moving smoothly without manual intervention. To start, open up the software we'll be using today. It's designed to be intuitive, so you won't have to worry about getting lost in complicated settings. The first step is to create your job application form. Click on Create New Form, then choose the fields that you want your applicants to fill out: name, contact info, resume upload, cover letter, and any custom fields specific to your company. Once your form is set up, it's time to add the workflow triggers. This is where the magic happens. You'll head over to the Automation or Triggers section, depending on what the software calls it. Here, you can create triggers based on specific actions taken by the applicant. For example, when someone submits their form, you can automatically send them a confirmation email. Or you could create a trigger to notify your HR team about the new submission. Setting up triggers is pretty straightforward. You'll select the action that triggers the automation, like form submission, and then choose the action that follows, like sending an email or creating a task. The software will walk you through the steps, so even if you're new to workflow automation, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now here's where it gets even better. You can also set up conditional logic. This allows you to create more advanced workflows. For example, if an applicant selects yes to a question about their experience, you could trigger an internal task to review their qualifications. Or if they answer no, you might want to trigger a rejection email. Once you've set up all the triggers and conditions you want, be sure to test your form. Submit a mock application to make sure the workflow triggers are firing properly and that your team is getting the right notifications at the right times. Testing ensures your automation is running smoothly before you go live. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that if you want to follow along with this process using the software we're using today, there's an exclusive free trial available in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it. So, what's the key takeaway here? Building a job application form with workflow triggers is all about streamlining your hiring process and automating the repetitive tasks. By setting up forms and automations correctly, you can save valuable time and ensure that no step gets overlooked. To quickly recap, first, you create your form with all the necessary fields. Then, you add workflow triggers to automate email notifications, tasks, or any other action. And finally, don't forget to test your form to ensure everything works smoothly. Remember, the exclusive free trial is in the description below. Take advantage of that and start building your job application form with workflow triggers today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.